1927 Ford Model T Sedan here at Unique Specialty in Classics. Of course, the inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. 2-speed, I guess, manual transmission, if you will. Take a good look at the radiator surround, headlight surrounds. Of course, the steel spoked wheels. We will fire this up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I'll go through the steps of how we're going to start it. If you want to see the still pictures, you'll see it from every angle. You'll see that engine bay, interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see paint is far from perfect, but if you've watched our videos before, like I say, in the Model Ts, it's always kind of cool because the paint adds character to the car, showing its age some. I mean, practically 100 years old, and I'm going to get in and fire it up. Crazy. And this one is a smooth runner. I'm going to go ahead and turn the fuel on here. So with that fuel valve at an angle about 45 degrees is on. There's a good look at the engine. Take a look down this passenger side again. You can see there's scuffs, scratches, dings. Like I said, to me, adding character to that vehicle. Some spare parts, accessories, items, I guess, if you will go along with this. Instruction booklet, service manual. As you can see, air pump jack, miscellaneous parts. Rear mounted spare tire. And once again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. There is a battery disconnect on this one. And that is right behind this driver's seat. I already have the carpeting moved out of the way, so we're going to flip this board off of there. Go ahead and crank that battery tight. And as you can see, 6-volt system. Got wood back on there. Technician that looked at this one too, had it out in the parking lot, running, driving, actually said drives out good for, you know, a Model T. Obviously, about 100 years old. Imagine how it's going to drive. I think we need to fire this up. So we get the gas on, we get the battery engaged. Let's go ahead, take you with me here. So this one obviously has electric start. There's your brake pedal. So I'm going to push electric start with my left foot. Get that brake pedal with my right. Turn the key on. There we go. Got throttle, got timing. Should be in the spots to start it. All right. Gonna go ahead and pull the timing down. Throttle up. Look at that. Fired right up, running smooth. Very cool. 1927 Model T Sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Give us a call. It's a smooth runner. Like I said, technician had it out in the parking lot, driving it around. Said for Model T, drives out pretty sweet.